Welcome back, YouTube. It's your boy Ryan. We're here on what episode? The 7 or 8 now. I don't remember. But that is next. It's Thursday, and yeah. Been a long week. Been a crazy week. Gyro went out while we were on vacation. Got a new one got a used one put in over the weekend. Monday morning, wife texted me, it's not heating. So 2 gyros in a row not heating. So I grabbed the old one, the original one we had, and we pulled it apart last night, got it fixed. Now it's back working again. It's been stupid hot. Had a couple cut jobs for a customer this week as well. And yeah. So, like I was saying, bed's next. Headlights are in. Running light turn signal lights are in. Engine covers back up. Radiator covers on. Grill's over there. That is next. Hood going on. Working on getting the rear seats done. We are getting rid of the old seat studs, as the bucket seats that are in there have been modified to fit the truck, and they only have the rear 2 bolt holes bolted in. The front is not bolted in at all. So we're going to modify the what's there, and we cut out some really big washers that we're going to sandwich the body with that. We're going to bolt the front of the seats down with 1/2-inch bolts. So that should be big enough. Then I've got to take this back to the tuner at some point. I'm debating whether to go ahead and take it back while I'm working on the bed, or get it done, get the bed back on, then take it to the tuner. So that's coming. As you guys saw in the last video, the truck starts up 10 times better, it runs better, but because we had an issue with stock fuel pump being in there, we're going to take it back to the tuner to make sure the fuel maps are right, and make sure that it's like it's supposed to be and safe. So we don't blow it up, so the customer doesn't blow the truck up. After all this money being put into it on fixing everything, I'm pretty sure it's the last thing on his list is wanting to put more money into the motor again. So yeah, we are on the very short roads, and like I said, Mazda got accepted into Southeast All Truck Nationals in Maggie Valley, October 10th, 11th, 12th, and Pumpkin here also got accepted into the show. So if you guys going to Maggie Valley for Southeast All Truck Nationals, stop by, check out the trucks, and tell us what you think. Also, speaking of shows, Barn Bash, hosted by us, basicbagwurx, September 6th. Here in Chocowinity, North Carolina, at Raising the Barn Farm. Charity show. We're going to give the money to a family in need. So make sure you guys come out, support. Let's get some money raised up for some of these people in need. You never know when you're going to go through a bad spot and need some help. So you could be next. You don't know. On that note, though, we're going to get to it. And it's probably going to be a short episode. So stay tuned.
to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
All right there, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's going to conclude episode 7 here. Pumpkin sitting outside. We have the bed inside. Give you a look at that. Got some tape in here, trying to figure out if we're gonna cut it here, if we're gonna go all the way to the back. You know, trying to figure out what we're going to do. And it's Monday. The customer is out of town. He'll be here on Wednesday, and we're going to discuss what we're going to do with the bed. I got off the phone with the tuner earlier, and the truck should be going to him early next week. Get out of the sun there. He told me kind of, get up with him about Monday or so, and we'll figure out when to get it over there. But it has been sitting outside all weekend. She's gotten a little dirty. But the way the exhaust is, it just blows dirt all the way up on top of everything. And of course, birds out here, because we have trees, have decided to use it as a bathroom, I guess. So yeah, everything's back together. Seats are bolted in. We got that done the other night. And yeah, it's almost done. Been a long road on this truck, but I'll be glad, I know the customer will be glad to see it. I know I'll be glad the customer have it back. I'm gonna miss the truck a little bit, but hey, it's part of it. It's the name of the game, right? But don't forget, Barn Bash, September 6th. Also, Southeast All Truck Nationals, October 10th, 11th, 12th. That truck will be there. And the Mazda should be there too. The bed may not be on there. But the plan is to have it running, driving, cab, fenders, hood, painted, under the hood painted, and yeah, at least the front half together, and then we'll just come up with a quick little mount or something for tail lights, and probably zip tie those on, or like I said, make a mount, and we'll probably zip tie the license plate on too. But yeah, that's gonna be fun. There she is currently. I'm not sure why, but the Psychos here are a lot smaller than the other ones that were up here, than the Denali wheels. Because before, didn't have this much clearance. Now we got a bunch of clearance. These are 18s. The Denalis were 18s. The only difference is these are a 215/35. I think the others were a 225/40 or 225/45. I don't remember. But we did sell those wheels, so we don't have them no more. And yeah, sold the Escalade wheels as well. So we've got our 4Runner wheels, and I think that's what we're going to use on. Throw some cheap tires on there to use as rollers, and after the Mazda, if we don't have any other custom trucks come in, that we'll get a frame finally. And with the long bed right there, I have a short bed for it, and I have a short bed camper topper, so I haven't 100% decided if I'm gonna do the long bed or not. But for all those who have seen the rendering of the truck, If it gets to that point, I may do the long bed. But there's the short bed, and there's the topper for the short bed. It needs some work. It had some holes up here at one time, but other than that, it's in great condition. I do need a window for the front. So anybody that's watching, I need that window right there, that middle one. So I'm gonna quit saying so. I'm gonna quit talking, and we're gonna end the episode here. We'll catch you guys next time. Don't forget, keep doing work, and we'll see you soon.